Okay, you guys, today we are making lasagna. Here's our ingredients here. These are the seasonings that we're using today. So we browned our meat and drained it. We're adding our seasonings: black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, Italian seasoning, and sugar. Okay, now I got some fresh herbs from my garden. Here we have oregano. I'll chop those up really well. Next we have basil, and I like to roll them and then slice them or chop them into like a chiffonade, and then I like to cut that and make it smaller. It's easier for me this way. And our parsley. So we just put a little bit to the side. We'll use that later on. The rest we will dump in our meat. Mix that up a bit, and then we'll add 1 jar of marinara sauce. You can use spaghetti sauce. I prefer marinara sauce, so it's up to you. I'm going to add a bay leaf. You can use fresh or dried. Bring that to a low boil. Let that simmer for a little while. While that's simmering, we'll add our ricotta cheese to a bowl. We'll add the herb mix that we set aside earlier. Then we'll add 2 eggs. Some mozzarella cheese and some Parmesan cheese. We'll season with a little salt and pepper. And we're going to mix this up. Get it folded in really well. Nice and creamy, just like that. So our sauce is cooked well. Set our oven at 375. So we're going to start with another jar of sauce, and we'll just layer the bottom a bit like so. Spread it around. And add our lasagna noodles. I need the convenience. I'm working now and this is perfect. But if you have the time, use the noodles that you boil. I just prefer the texture of those over these, but these are super convenient for busy moms or dads. So I recommend these if you need to save time. So you just break them up and fit them all in there. And then we're going to add our ricotta cheese mix. Just going to layer that over the noodles. You kind of want to hold the noodles while you spread it. It's a lot easier. They'll just move around. So we got a layer of that. Then we'll add that meat sauce we were working on earlier. We'll have a layer of this and spread that over that cheese mixture. Now we'll add a little mozzarella, just to give a little extra cheese and kind of help those noodles and everything bind. So we'll add another layer of noodles, and we will be repeating this 2 more times. Now once you finish, that last layer of noodles get covered with sauce and cheese. Okay, so you put a full layer of cheese over the top, just like so. Then we're going to add our foil over the top. This will go in the oven at 375 for 25 minutes. And after that 25 minutes, it'll go in the oven for an additional 15 minutes. But you're going to take off your foil on that last 15 minutes. We're setting a timer for 25. And don't forget the additional 15 after that. And here's the finished product. I like to sprinkle a little bit of Italian parsley. And this is going to be really good. Your family will really enjoy it, you guys, with some bread and salad. Perfect, perfect dinner. So enjoy. Thank you.